What's going on, money lovers? Welcome back. So today we've got a special video for you. Want to touch on a question that was asked in our stock group me. If you're interested in joining that, you can find the link in the description below. Like all things, if you're good at it, do it for free, right? We follow the Facebook model, so this is entirely free. If you would like to join, check out the link below. But anyway, got a question from someone today asking about what they should do with their NIO position, which looks like here they bought 100 shares at an average cost of $60. And they're asking, should they just get rid of it? Tired of holding the bag? Well, my short answer was no. And if you're interested in hearing why I myself hold NIO stock and I think it's a worthwhile hold for the long term here, then stick around for the rest of this video. So if you enjoy the video today, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with anyone, and let's get right to it. As with all great companies, it all starts with the CEO, right? So William Li is the CEO of NIO, dubbed the Elon Musk of China. William Bin Li is the founder and chairman of BitAuto, a provider of web content for the auto industry. He founded NIO, which began taking orders for its first electric SUV in December of 2017. So this is a company that, let's say, has been around 4, maybe 5 years, not very long. Where was Tesla at 4 or 5 years into things? Things were not looking so hot. They were probably on the brink of bankruptcy. NIO, which had raised $2.1 billion in funding, went public in September 2018 on the New York Stock Exchange, and Li owns just under 14% of NIO. So it's great to see he's got a big stake in the business, and everything I've read about this guy is very positive. So like all great companies, it all starts with a great CEO. Right? There are a lot of striking similarities to Tesla. I often joke about it. I call NIO my Tesla insurance policy. Or if Tesla doesn't work out, I think NIO is the next best thing. So I just want to show you guys some other quick highlights about NIO. So NIO, their website, you may notice, is awfully similar to Tesla's. They've got their different vehicles here. They also are doing NIO Power, NIO House, etc. The cars are very sleek. They're following Tesla's path, starting with a premier luxury vehicle, and we'll see if one day they get into more affordable models. But right now, these are like Model S type cars that they're making. Sedans and SUVs. So here's a look at their SUV. So they're very sleek. They have a lot in common with Teslas, definitely. And just to give you an idea of where this company is at, which is a lot further along than Tesla was when it was 4 or 5 years into things. So NIO delivered 8,000 vehicles in June 2021, an increase of 116% year over year. Not too bad of a growth rate. On April 7th, 2021, 100,000th mass-produced vehicle rolled off the assembly line. So they have over 100,000 cars that they have successfully built, getting into autonomous driving. So again, I say very similar to Tesla, doing a lot of the same things and look to be on a good path. Now, if we look at a couple articles from the site here, you can see they delivered almost 8,000 vehicles in July, an increase of 124% year over year, so even better than June. Cumulative deliveries of all of their models as of July 31st has reached 125,528 vehicles. Give me 5 electric vehicle companies that have delivered over 100,000 electric vehicles so far. Another recent article here, it appears NIO is entering the Norwegian markets, getting into Norway and those markets, which is a great market for electric vehicles. Thanks to your contribution to the electric car to shape a better future, we are happy to shape a brighter future together with you all in Norway. It's exciting to see. NIO is starting to have EV sales outside of China, which historically has been their only market. So it'll be interesting to see if one day we see NIO in the rest of Europe or maybe even in the United States. But what does this mean? I think they're just going to keep growing here, and I expect those vehicle delivery numbers to keep increasing every month. So this is a company that's really still in its infancy. I encourage you, just compare it to where Tesla was at its 5-year mark. Since Tesla's founding, things were not looking so hot. So NIO may even be in a better position now than Tesla was 5 years in. So who knows? Maybe NIO could even be better than Tesla one day. I don't know if I can go that far, but you never know. If we look at the stock chart here, you can see it is down from its all-time highs. I mean, it had no business being up to $64 a share. That was during a period of irrational exuberance, and it did correct. Went all the way down to, let's say, to about $33, and then it's been sitting, just below $40 right here, which is actually the price point I paid for NIO. I actually got in NIO at $3 a share. Sold all my shares when it got to maybe $20, and then I bought back in at $40. So lesson there, folks, buy and hold. Buy and hold. But now I have my shares, and I'm definitely holding these for the long term. I will not be selling these anytime soon. And once again, just to give you a better idea of their growth, if we look quarter over quarter, they doubled how many cars they delivered in Q2 of 2021 versus 2020. Q1, they almost 7x how many cars they delivered. Let's say 6x, from 3,800 to 20,000 deliveries. Okay, so the growth here has been exponential, and I see this trend continuing. I don't know that they'll be growing at a 5x pace, but I could see double easily. I just don't see any way that they don't continue to keep growing at a significant margin of at least, let's say, 20%. Let's say at least an increase of 20% vehicle deliveries, from here on out for the next couple of years. Now, you're getting in early here, and that's why this company is priced, let's say, cheaply. I'm going to put that in quotes because you can argue it's overvalued. They are still losing a lot of money. So adjusted net loss here, you can see they're losing not a small amount of money, but as you can see, compared to 2020, they're losing a lot less money already. They're losing about 1/3 as much as they were a year ago. So they're on the right track. If they can continue this trend, they're a growing company. They're obviously very new. Obviously this is not an investment without risk. There's plenty of uncertainty here. Any number of things can go wrong. They are doing some awesome work. I encourage you to check out their website. And also, one of the ways that they're unique and differ from Tesla, they're doing battery swapping, and they're pretty gung ho on it. And Tesla scrapped that idea, but maybe in China, the way things are set up, since it's such these population dense cities, the battery swapping does make a lot of sense. Where there's probably not enough room to have 20, 100, 50 or 100 charging stations just sitting around. So a battery swap can be more convenient, where you just drive in, the battery swaps out, and you're on your way in a couple minutes. Makes a lot of sense. So let me know what you think of NIO in the comments below. Do you own NIO stock? Why or why not? If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to drop a like below and hit that subscribe button for more content. This is Vinny from the Investment Club, and I'll see you next time.